The Russian Defense Ministry said, on March 20, 2023, radars of the Western Military District Air Defense Force on duty detected 2 airborne targets over the Baltic Sea, flying towards the state border of the Russian Federation. The targets were identified as 2 US Air Force B-52H strategic bombers. The Russian Defense Ministry further informed that the Su-35 Flanker E was scrambled to identify the intruding aircraft and prevent a possible intrusion after foreign military planes moved away from the state border of the Russian Federation. The Russian plane returned to its home base, the ministry said. Further, the US B-52H bombers reportedly approached the Russian bombers after flying over the Baltic when Russian Su-30SM and Su-30SM2 fighter jets kicked off aerial drills to practice air-to-air combat and carry out ground attack missions. U.S. bombers routinely carry out these flights over the Baltic Sea to ensure the safety of its Baltic NATO allies. The VKS Tu-95MS bombers flew over the Sea of Japan days after the U.S. kicked off joint military drills with the Japanese military in the region. The Sea of Japan has seen enhanced activity during the last several weeks, with North Korea rampaging and firing one missile after another, and also the United States has conducting drills with its allies, South Korea and Japan. On its part, Japan hosts the largest number of U.S. troops, with American military presence only getting bolstered in the face of expanding Chinese and Russian military expansion. Tokyo has also increased its military budget and is undertaking an extensive military modernization to combat the threat posed by the adversaries in the region. Meanwhile, the activity of American and Russian bombers, one after the other, raises eyebrows, with military watchers wondering whether the Tu-95MS ventured into the Sea of Japan to send an emphatic message to the US-led NATO.